Come to this side. Yeah. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, man, you don't know, sir. One bomber. No other.
Bomber, alright. What type of job you do?
All type of job still, decorating. Don't know. Me the person, yeah.
Me that person. Okay, alright. And what's your type?
Father!
Come to this side. Come to this side, Maji. Introduce yourself.
Me not like that, man. You know, put yourself together. Me not like how you look. You need a haircut. Me not like nothing about you.
This side, Maji. Alright. Bless up.
That's up for.
Nobody pop their balloon. You see it? Alright, so.
How good are you in bed?
Oh, one.
One? What do you mean by one?
1 minute.
Sir, wait. What do you mean by one? Somebody pop this balloon. So you are telling me my rose is better than you? You are mad.
But baby girl, we are Gaza tug and we not go to body road, alright? So you pop me call me say, you're a vendetta girl.
Novo Pandora.
Yo! I didn't expect the balloon or find love, females. Are you ready? Yo, I'm in the city of Portmore, okay? Portmore is now a parish, okay? I'm moving over here. They don't have hospital, but they have everything. Parking lot, hot cars, hot girl, everything Portmore have. You see it? Ladies, it's simple. When a male walk out and you don't like him, pop your balloon, okay? Okay? And if you like him, what do? Keep your balloon. Want to big up a big bad sponsor, Sunshine City Beverage. If you want the cheap liquor, anything reasonable, Sunshine City Beverage. And which part of there? GG Studio. You don't know. Guess what's going on? Make sure to leave a like. St. Kitts, we are forward. St. Vincent, we are forward. We are forward at Trinidad too. Portmore. Comment below if you know what we'll do at part 2 there. You see it? We need 50k likes. 50k likes for our part 2 from Portmore. You see it? Big up Live Boss for the visual. Big up my editor, Vaughn. You don't know, got it night like all the time. Chips. Banana chip. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. I want to say I'm so sorry for not posting consistently. I apologize. I know now say, really, where the pop the balloon, Jesus Christ? Sorry. I am so sorry. Can I get a hug? Don't malice me. Come on. May I grow together. All in this. Come on, please. I can get a hug. I nah do it again. I'm sure. All right. That is it. Yo, big up the people them who hug them TV. I love you. You see it? Send in the first mail for me now. Wait until him reaches us. Come to this side. Yeah. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, man, you don't know, sir. One bomber. No other.
Bomber, alright. What type of job you do?
All type of job still, decorating. Don't know. Me the person, yeah.
Me that person. Okay, alright. And what's your type?
Alright, so. Like a slim thick girl, you know?
He not even tell you no him type.
Why do you want to hear from that one? Don't say the balloons, Robert. Rolling.
Alright, cool. Alright, so shout out to social.
Alright, so on the Instagram, approved by Obama. On the TikTok, approved by Obama. You know?
Alright, so we want to start with first. We get some pops. Use the mic here.
Alright. Start done.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come to this side. Right, so. Your name, your social, and why you pop your balloon?
Hello, my name is Karian. Social Karian _OV on Instagram. There is one palm balloon. The glasses that show me have. Why you have one? You can't switch to one eye alone?
Alright, so I can see.
So why you wear that by your face?
The glasses help me for see.
See what?
You see, yeah.
Okay.
Right now, me I look upon you, Yeah, me I see you in a real life.
Alright, that's it.
Alright, that's why you pop a balloon? Because I'm glasses? You don't know?
No, I'm not know what that.
Alright, so based on him appearance though, how much did I rate him?
About 5?
5 out of 10?
Calm.
Yeah.
Calm. Alright. Based on fair attire, G, what you think about it?
The gear 8, man.
8 out of 10.
Thank you.
Gorgeous, beautiful.
Thank you.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, move down to this side. Some to this. Just stay here so we know. Alright, your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
My name is I am Daniel_OV on Instagram. And you can find me on TikTok, Yo Girl Denine, YOGIRLDENIEL on TikTok. Rolly, give me the mic. Rolly, first, is that one fashion thing you are trying with the eyeglass? It's not working.
No, man, a real glasses.
So you see out of one eye and you don't see out of the next one?
Yeah.
So you are seeing through one eye now?
Yeah, that's how I can see you.
So the two eyes are seeing?
No.
How? What are you seeing me? Do I look like 3, 2? What are I doing like?
Alright, so you are right here, I think.
What do you think? Rolly, I'm saying you have on one eyeglass.
Yeah.
Which one are you seeing? Are you seeing 2 eyes?
I'm seeing through my 2 right eyes.
2 right? So you don't have one left, one right? How do you have 2 right?
One, yeah.
Is that how you are? Sir,
God go with you.
Alright
I'll
then.
go with you.
Alright.
I'll give you everything that you need to see, probably.
Alright,
Yes.
so based on him attire though, what you think about him? Much did I rate him?
I don't like it. Nothing I don't like. Nothing is matching. Right now. Roll it, go on. I don't like this one.
Alright, how much did I rate him?
I will give him a 5 for trying.
5.
And I see the bag. What I want to say? Okay. Calvin who?
Corvin Kinnear.
Calvin. Hey.
Corvin Kinnear.
Calvin there.
Yeah.
Okay, we give that one a 6. A little improvement. Yeah, swag.
Okay. Alright, based on fair appearance, what you think about it?
Alright, I'll give you like a 6.3. I like your voice, but you're not really my type like that, so.
I do not want to be your type.
Okay.
Yeah, go on now.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
Alright, my name is Crystal. The only Chrissy on Instagram and one Chrissy Dan on TikTok. Alright, the reason I pop my balloon, him just not my type. And him fat and him just not my type. But I give him a 4 still.
4 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright, so if him approach it outside in public, what you say to him?
Huh?
I would say the same.
You see, she's laughing, She's laughing.
Alright.
She would fold.
She's laughing at you, not with you.
Alright.
Me don't know what to say.
Alright then. Based on fair appearance though, what you think about her? How much did I rate her?
Alright, so I would give her like probably a 4.5. Reason being is that she is not my type and I don't think she could manage me.
Okay.
Yeah. Being honest.
Alright.
Alright? Yep. Come on to this side. Alright. So your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
My name is Pashanti. My socials on IG and TikTok are it's Pashanti, PASHANTI. Pops my balloon because he's not my type.
He's not your type?
5 for trying. I see the effort.
A win
you
is
know.
a win.
The blueprint is there. It just needs some modification.
Oh, when it's a blueprint, what you mean?
Like I see what we were trying. Like I see the bracelet and I see the bag. I see the efforts.
You see the bling, yeah.
Right. Just need to swap out some things. Like the shirts, the glass, The shoes could work with a different shirt. You know, I see the blueprint. I see it. It's a 5.
5 out of 10. Alright. What you think about she based on her appearance?
Alright, so I would give her an 8. I really like her smile. You know?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Alright. Come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
So my name is Asha. My social is Ash X Ashe. Why I pop my balloon though? I really don't like. It's all Muslim. I mean, I like it, man. So that's the reason why.
She running already.
That's the reason why.
That was naughty. That was naughty.
Okay. So him too thick.
I mean, I liked it, man, sir. But out of 10, still, I get a 6. I don't know where the eyeglass come in still, but that's fine.
It's helping me see your beauty.
Oh, thank you.
Alright. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
Alright, so I would give her like a 8.5. You know? Slim thick, my type. Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright. Slim thick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, no, I'm not taking
Hold on.
a liar.
Oh, yeah. I was just double checking with the eyes. Yeah.
You go on, man.
Alright. Come in. Alright, your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
My name is Nahela. My TikTok name is Miss Grippy. Instagram Sassy Nana. The reason why I pop my balloon is just not my style. That's the only reason.
Or your style?
Yeah, that's my style.
Okay, alright. So if him approach you outside, what would you do? Or you either say?
Hell no.
If him asks for your number?
No.
No, if him say.
I have a reason to give the number because that's not my style. I'm not going to stop.
Okay.
Alright, so how much did I rate him?
I give him a 4.
4 out of 10.
Yeah. That's just it.
Alright. Based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
Alright, I would give her like, let me see, hold on, I'm counting. I'm gonna give her a 7.5. Yeah, she got a nice body.
Thank
you know? Yeah. And I like the natural dark skin too, so
Thanks.
yeah.
Alright, that's
Something
good.
my future wife would have, but you see, I told you, it's all different when you're in person. So you just have to know what you're doing.
That's just my...
Oh, okay, alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon and your social?
Hello, my name is Marva. On TikTok, chocolate skin, Marva chocolate skin. On Instagram, smiley_Marva. The reason why I pop my balloon, oh God. Me not like that, man. You know, put yourself together. Me not like how you look. You need that haircut. Me not like nothing about you. But nice trying still. That's it.
You need a haircut on him ear.
I don't like it.
It's a taper fade.
It's a taper fade.
No, I don't like it.
Alright, so you say if him did get a haircut, it would have better?
Maybe that bring up him face a little bit.
Yeah, should I see the coolie here and thing?
Where is the cooler here?
It's in my hair.
Cooler here, they're right here. See there? Cooler here, they're right here.
Okay.
Alright, so you'd give him how much out of 10?
I'm gonna give him a 5.5. Yeah.
Win is a win.
And her based on fair appearance, what do you think about her?
Alright, I would give her like a 6.8. I like the tattoos, I just don't like your name. You know?
Her name?
Yeah, I have an auntie named Marva. She look good
A
too, you know?
miserable dog.
Yeah.
Okay.
Auntie shape good too, but yeah. So
Your auntie? Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, so you rate her? How much did I rate her?
6.8.
Alright, come down to this side. Alright, my G. Everybody pop them balloons, so
Yeah.
know what you have to do?
Walk with grace.
Walk with grace, my G.
Alright.
A lot of grace.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yo, St. Vincent and Trinidad, prepare yourself. DM me on Instagram if you want to be a part of the lineup. Portmore, if you need a part 2, 50,000 likes me need, okay? Live boss. Oh, you stay, so. Eh? Active, you know? Yeah. All right, you ready for the next meal? No, no, sound ready. Yeah. All right, then send in the next meal for me now. Please, we can't wait until him reach out to sir.
You really
Okay, that's very good. I like that. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Yeah, come to this side. Believe. Your name? Introduce yourself.
Dalamar, you don't know, Portmore artist. You see me? Producer, also entertainment owner. You see me?
Alright, what your social?
Oh yeah, Dalamar Music. Dalamar Music at Instagram. I don't know, Bang Bang Boop on TikTok. You see me?
My G, alright. So, what's your type though?
I really have no definite type, you know. You see me? Slim, thick. As long as she nice, you see me?
Yeah.
Nice girl, I like.
Alright, I know what. Alright. So when it comes down to a girl, you bring her out. Like, what ideal place you bring her?
Somewhere, you know, she can, you know, snap some nice meal on him, something there. Yeah. You don't know, the woman them like snap meal on him thing there. You know, them like. So now understand what I mean by snap meal. Yeah, snap meal.
Snap.
You love snap, you not eat, you not video on him somebody. So wrong with that.
So, alright.
Picnic.
Alright.
Yes, I'm modern time. People not go on picnic again.
Alright, so we're gonna come down the line. Welcome.
Yeah,
Welcome down the line. Give me a minute. So we're gonna find out. We got some pop, so we'll find out why them pop the balloon. Who you want to start with first?
Can start from right.
Start right, sir?
So yeah.
Alright. Come on, right, sir? Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Hello, my name is Carrie Ann. The reason why is not even about dinner because I really like those stuff, romantic and all, but me just not like bleacher type. I'm sorry.
Yeah, but figure.
Me just not like natural color.
Figure comes to say the whole long pay balloon before them realize that.
Yeah.
Oh, so just because I'm skin tone?
Yeah. We have 2 different type of skin color.
No, but in brown. A brown you.
Him and black and him face
What you say?
pink whitish.
Him and what?
Black and him face pink whitish.
More of us.
Alright. So based on him appearance though, how much you rate him?
He's fine.
That's a bleaching
but I eat
and the snap
Repeat?
meal.
No, I don't have a problem with dinner.
Oh, you know,
that's
yeah,
fine.
free.
I
no
pay for
problem.
my own dinner, by the way. So yeah.
Well, if me I take you out still, anything.
Okay, if 50-50 coming on nobody, I'm not know by me. So
True.
but it's 8 for me.
8 out of 10? Based on her appearance though.
Like, yeah, nice 9 out of 10 one. She nice, you know.
What you like about her?
She put herself together still. I like her smile. She remind me of somebody. Yeah, she have a nice smile.
Alright, that's not bad. Yeah. Alright, come down this side.
Alright.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hello guys, my name is Abby. You can find me on socials at Abby Content Creator on TikTok. Yeah, and on Instagram I am Daniel_OV.
The reason I pop my balloon, you're an artist.
You're an artist.
You.
Oh, me?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I don't.
You don't like artists?
No.
Be specific why you don't like artists.
Because
Yeah.
when you tend to go out with your male friends, any performance, you come home with at least 10 females number in that form. You cannot tell me anything.
Well, that is a sure thing. If you come home with
Me and you both know.
But I'm an upcoming artist when I reach one level.
Whether it is coming or upcoming, you are still you are not loyal. You guys are not loyal. And the color is just not coloring, sir. I said the color is not coloring.
The color is not coloring.
No.
There's a man loyal and the color is not coloring.
Sir, your pigmentation is not pigmenting.
Is a pigment now a pigment?
Jesus. Well, did you not hear me?
Yeah, him here. So how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
I will give him a solid 7.5. Solid. It is solid. Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, so, how much?
Based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
Alright. And when I tell still, you're not really my type. I'm not be disrespectful. You see, you're not really my type.
Thank God.
I'm very like, most everything. Two of them not really, slippers not really. We are talking about appearance. But I still give you 8. For you're a woman, I'm a rate woman. You come here, you showcase yourself.
I respect that
Yeah,
one.
but appearance, that's that.
Thank
good
you.
Still.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Alright, my name is Crystal. The reason why I pop my balloon, not everybody into like the picture thing, like not everybody dig that shit. But but I give you 8.
Oh, 8 out of 10. Okay, alright. And based on him appearance, 8. And if him approach you outside, would he have gotten your number?
No.
Okay, so not just because the picture thing him talk about then.
It might just not my type, but yeah.
Alright, based on her appearance, much should I rate her?
Alright, man. She nice, man. But I rate her a nice 8. One thing me have to say though, turn it a little bit to the left. No, man, you should even do a person, my friend. Where do that keep a neck up, person?
I not have to keep a minute.
You know, how about that? Roll it. Am I alone, see?
I'm
Alright,
keep
move
a
along.
minute.
Move along. Me give a nice 8.
8, alright.
Yeah, me give a nice 8.
Eh?
I burn.
Oh, me still, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Prashanti and I popped my balloon because 2 things. One, complexion.
Yeah, I know it's a problem, but alright, continue.
Right. And 2, your chin.
Mm-hmm.
You see the triangle and the eye and them something there with it on your
D-money.
chin. I got to work with sir. That is
D-money.
not for me.
Alright.
So besides that, like a 6, calm,
Good.
cool.
No problem with them.
Alright. Based on her appearance,
She
much should I
nice,
rate her?
man. She nice. Me see her from earlier. She nice. You see?
Thank you.
But I give her a solid 8. See me. Me not no problem no far nothing.
Where you like about her?
She put herself together. Me like her swag. She not go hard. She go formal and nice. You see? She no OD. Aight, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
This side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
So my name is Ashoy. Why am I pop the balloon still? The artist thing I mean, not gonna work. Not gonna work. Rough.
Yeah,
That's
man,
it.
rough, man.
But apart from that, still you're good.
Yeah, man,
Understand? It seems like you have a nice personality.
When I am comedic, man, me everything in our
Yeah, I can see it in you. But I have a problem with the bleaching and whatever. But I just look at artist business. And out of 10,
Much should I rate him out of 10?
you can get a 9. You not look
I
bad.
love that. But as mother says still, more explain about the artist thing
You can
and
go
the
ahead.
bleaching thing. You see me? Bleaching, when I want to say when I bleaching is a problem, when I forgo right through,
No, I didn't say it was a problem, love.
it was a problem.
No,
she said-
it wasn't a problem.
Oh, she did. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, alright. So
I
me
said
talk
the
over
only
her.
thing
Me
is
talk
just
over
the
her.
artist thing.
Yeah,
I didn't
me
have a
alright.
problem with the bleaching.
Overall, the bleaching thing, we feel it biased. Everybody have their own opinion. We feel it biased. Cause me know. You see, me know. And girl go for likes. But anything, you look nice. One problem I have.
Mm-hmm.
One problem I have. And it's a history cause I have never a problem with it. Eyelash.
Oh, that's
I
fine.
go to the girl already and eyelash fly off for me.
For true?
I'm afraid I.
She never do it.
God
good,
no, I'm
baby.
afraid I. I swear.
She never
And the
do it
whole
good.
night, I one eye alone she have a glitter. The next eye gone.
So she not take off the other one?
No, she carry it all same
I'm
way.
a man
I
that.
swear, so I'm kinda, but you're nice, Tim. I give you a 9.
Thanks, love.
9.
You see me? You're nice, man.
Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Ahela. The reason why I pop my balloon, I'm an adventurous type. I don't like bleach out face person. I like my dark skin.
Like a dark skin too.
Oh, meaning you're adventurous, you're out in the sun a lot.
Like paintballs and all those type of shits.
Oh, because him say take pic on the dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I don't like artists either.
Also, you say problem is bleaching on the sun. You say you do activities, adventures. But bleaching and stuff
That's
is
not my
active.
type. I like my dark skin.
Always know what you might try to explain and say adventurous. And you probably feel like bleaching up with that in the me from the adventures with you. May I show you say it wouldn't stop.
But I just give her 7.
Yeah, I understand.
7 out of 10 need I rate him? Based on her appearance, much should I rate her?
She nice, no. I'm not telling a lie. Nice black skin, everything. I not like appearance with everything though. You see, toes. He's a man, me. My eyes if it
My nail
toes.
them gone.
My eyes and for toes, you see. I thought that's one thing still. She put herself. I'm not go on. You
Thanks.
see, yeah.
Alright.
I rate her nice 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright.
You know.
Alright.
I give you a chance for talk, you know. You know. You know.
Alright, hold on. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Marva.
Yeah.
Why you pop your balloon?
Him know.
Marva chocolate.
Him
Marva
know.
chocolate.
We
she
never
name.
did have to come here so we do this.
Yeah, we could have do it in our private session.
Yeah,
No, but
you
we
know.
want
I
come see.
mean,
what you have to say.
we have that thing there. I mean,
Me still want come see what you have to say. When you pop your balloon for me.
I'm not going to do it here, so.
You know how to do it.
You know which part to find me.
Alright.
Whoa, history there, sir?
Cool. As me say still, it's a nice 10. She know already. She know say link connect already. You see it, all you pop your balloon for me. You know say link connect.
We're not supposed to do that, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, alright. You don't know and tell me, pinch me and tell me, please. Alright. So how much did I rate it from 1 to 10?
100.
Yeah, man, believe, man. Just believe the one. Just believe, man. She know where the connection I come from.
Alright. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
100 she get to, man.
Come on.
100 she get from day she forward me and say, yeah.
100 out of 10.
Marvelous, man.
Alright, no problem. Come to this side. Alright, my G.
Yeah, man.
Everybody pop them balloons so you know what you have to do.
Walk with grace and faith.
Walk with grace, my G.
Alright, come. Where up, come?
What kind of history this? Are you ex? Are you ex, man? How are they backside this? Watching a man, want to remember, say, a sponsor the video, Sunshine City Beverage, 74 Northwood. Postmouth? A Postmouth? One place named Postmouth or Portmore? You know it? Portmore people, why don't you call a place Post? Alright, big up Sunshine City Beverage. You see it? For the cheapest beverage. Remember that. Hear that? Come to this side. This side, Muji. Alright. Bless up.
Fine.
Alright. Introduce yourself. Your name.
Hello, ladies. I'm Roman. ROHMAN. Can look for it on Instagram.
Alright, Roman. Alright. What about
Roman. ROHMAN.
Roman? Alright. What about work you do?
I'm a floor lead at a call center and a sales account.
See,
Apart from that, though, currently working on a novel. The title is A Bitch is a Wife. Look out for it, ladies. It's a romance novel. I'm building a company also, which is a like recording studio and other things where we shoot music videos. I myself do music, so we have some things that we'll be putting out.
I would say like a project you deal with, like a body of work.
Fully. And separate and apart from that, last but not least, I'm a model, ladies. So I'm currently doing some work with Walkity Talk. You can see their burner right here. You can check them out also on Instagram, you know. Yeah.
Alright, no bad. And what's your type?
Type, that is, well, I'm multifaceted when it comes on to females. You know, first is attraction, and then you get to know the girl and see what she's about.
True.
You can move on from there.
Oh, so you have to know a girl first before.
Yeah. But physical attraction is first, you know.
Okay.
If a girl look good,
alright.
so it starts from.
Alright.
Definitely.
Alright. So, and when it comes down to a female, what you hate most about them? Like,
no, a female when I have good personal hygiene. Attitude is fine. Women have emotions. We can deal with that because we're emotionally intelligent.
Alright.
But if a female not have good hygiene, we can't work with that.
Alright, so that are like a pet peeves.
Yeah, we can't work with that. None at all.
Good hygiene. Alright, so nobody pop their hold on. Nobody pop their balloon. You see it? Alright, so
It's none of them. It's fine.
oh gosh, man. My bad, sorry about that.
No, man, that's all fine. Women have their preferences.
Yeah, understand. Alright, so we got some pops. I gotta find out why them pop the balloon. I start with that side. Yeah.
No problem.
Right, sir? That's the right, sir?
Right here.
Yeah. Alright, your name? Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Marva. Not my type. I can't walk around with it bleachers. Nothing is wrong though, but you're just not my type.
That's fine.
Okay. But would I give you a 6?
6 out of 10?
Yep.
What kind of show it off though?
The ear white, the beard black, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Just same as a model though. Fashion.
I don't like it. That's not my thing.
Understand. So based on her appearance, what you think about her?
She's attractive. I like the tats. You see me? So we can work with it 7 out of 10 fully.
Thank you.
7 out of 10.
Definitely, yeah.
Could I work with her?
Yeah.
Alright, come down to this side, Muji. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Nahelia. The reason why I pop my balloon is just not my style.
Style as in him
I
style?
like the ear. Don't like it at all.
Huh?
For me, I'd give you a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. Based on her appearance though, my G.
Dark skin girl, we love them. Same way, 7. You see me?
7.
Yeah, and the nose pierce. We love the piercing them, so I work with it.
Work with
That is it.
Thanks.
Yeah? Alright.
Definitely.
This side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
So my name is Ashoy. One pop balloon. I just feel like you just look way older than me.
Okay,
You mind if you tell
understand.
me your age?
No, we not tell age and birthday because
Okay.
see what you say, female have to judge based on age and birthday. Like them say February month, stay so on December man.
Oh, I'm not judgmental in me this still. But as me say, you kind of look way older than me.
That's
Not
fine.
gonna tell you lie. You're alright and thing though.
Cool.
Alright. How much should I rate her based on her appearance?
Nice girl, slim as. I figure 8. You know?
Thank you.
Oh man.
How much you rate him?
You can get a 9.
9 out of 10.
He's a fashionista, I guess.
Fully. That
Yeah,
is
man. You can get a 9.
It. That is it.
Why you have fluffy?
Really move along the line.
Okay. Alright. Come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Alright, my name Crystal. The reason I'm popping balloon, you have ear color, your eyebrow, and
So me
the,
have to bleach me hair black and forward back, right ladies?
and the nose
A different
piercing,
thing.
I turn me
So I
off.
say bleach it back. Alright, that ladies themselves. Yeah. The ear, so the ear.
And the
Alright, no worries,
eyebrow,
ladies.
and the eyebrow like,
Alright,
What the
ladies.
fuck?
No understand, no problem.
and your nose piercing too.
Yeah.
That just,
No problem.
I would say first, the left part, right?
Right side. No, left side, yeah.
Oh, so you not like him nose piercing?
nah.
Why?
Man for birthday nose?
Well, it's fashion, and if you really know your Afrocentric roots,
Okay.
black male have been piercing the nose from Africa for centuries, baby girl.
Okay.
Definitely.
But that's just a big turn off for me.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine.
Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her?
Very nice girl, we have to give her 8 too. You know what I mean?
8 out of 10.
Yeah, not to say we don't like thick women, but, you know, very petite, you know?
That give back a 8 too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, come to this side. You pop a balloon just now?
Yes, I did.
Why you pop a balloon?
Okay, so I'm Abby. Hi. I bought my balloon. I'm a modeler as well, but I don't like what I'm seeing now based on my experience with somebody. And the reason why I say that because they turned out to be otherwise.
What do you mean?
Otherwise. What is your agenda?
What she's trying to say is that
Okay.
the man that she was with never really liked females. But baby girl, we are Gaza thug, and we not go the body road, alright? So you pop me because me say, you have vendetta girl?
No,
Oh.
it's just.
Alright, we're so far. Alright, so how much did I rate him? Based on his appearance?
I'll give him an 8 out of 10. His drip, nice. Yeah, I like the swag. As I say, I'm a modeler too. It's just that the hair and throw me off.
Show ya.
But in facial features, nice.
Based on her appearance, Maji?
She's, you know, thick, voluptuous woman. We give her 7, or 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah, work with that.
Alright, come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Karen. The reason why is because you have too much piercing and I like your waves and your dressing, but I don't like the hair color and your eyebrow and you look very dark. Yeah, you look very abusive. I'm just assuming.
I look
but
very what? Abusive?
Yeah.
That's not true,
You just look
sweetheart.
dark.
Be a love, make a girl.
Okay, but
Yeah,
you
we don't-
have
we
too
don't-
much
we don't
piercing
eat
for
women.
me, like
Mm.
3 hoops. That's,
As I said, sweetheart, if you go back to your Afrocentric roots,
I don't think no
black
man is
men-
gonna
No, I'm not
pierce so
capping,
much.
sweetheart. You need to go to your Afrocentric roots and understand where black
Okay.
men are coming from.
Okay, I
Wipe on the
will.
coming still.
Okay,
Yeah.
I will.
But we coming
But
girl.
that's it for me.
Yeah.
And at 8 is
8 out of 10, you don't rate him at 8 out of 10? And you say you just the piercing, too much piercing. Alright then. And you said dark as in aggressive.
you look aggressive. Very.
Okay. Based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
She's very pretty. So her face like probably like a 9.5 or probably 10.
Thank
She
you.
prettiest girl right there. So no cap, you're beautiful too. You all look good, but the girl I really like her facial features.
All right, thank you.
Alright. Down to this side. Right, sir.
She's the last one who popped.
Yeah. Why you pop a balloon? Your name?
My name is Fashanti. I popped my balloon because one, your life sounds very festive. Like
Very
love.
what? No, you're.
Said your life sounds like so festive.
Oh,
Love,
festive.
ambition, love going after money, your dreams, all of that good stuff. But like I feel like I would like call you and be like, oh my god, babe, wanna like hang out? Oh, I can't because I have like 15 things to do today.
She's right. That's true. That's true.
That's like she said, you do look like way older than me. And picked up on a few things that you said while you were talking to the ladies that I feel like maybe you didn't mean it to. But for me, I felt like I was hearing a little bit of attitude, like a little
Attitude?
yeah.
I don't understand.
Maybe it's because of how I think. But like
No,
when you were
sweetheart,
talking,
we're never sassy. We're not one of those
Sassy.
sassy guys who come on the program to disrespect women. No,
I didn't use the term sassy.
Yeah.
But moving along, besides that,
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah. Clean. No. Cool.
Yeah?
We're cool.
Based on fair appearance, my G. What do you think about it?
Yeah, man, I give her a 9 too. Love the face and everything, you know?
Thank
That is it.
That is it? Alright, come down to this side. Alright, bro. G. Everybody pop them balloon. Jano, you have to walk with grace, okay?
No problem. Ladies,
Bless up.
have a wonderful night, alright?
Alright. Remember, say more than 50,000 likes on the video. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Him said clean and sweet. Watch out, man. Big up Kimmy Boo InStyle Boutique. You know, Instagram follow her upon Facebook, you don't know, TikTok, everything. You know, pop it pop. Got it not like all the time. My love her no. My love her no like, oh my God. Me turn lover boy. When you ready for the next meal? Yes. When you ready for the next meal? Yes. When you ready for the next meal? Portmore is a parish now, you know. So anytime I come Portmore, I bring my passport. You hear that? Bring in the next meal for me now. Come to this side.
Move so corrupt. Move so corrupt.
Introduce yourself.
Alright, ladies, my name is Draco for real. Know what I'm saying? I'm Jamaican and American, so I'm a crazy nigga.
Okay, alright.
Good night.
Alright. What type of work you do?
Me?
Yeah.
To be honest, I don't work.
Huh?
I don't work.
You don't work?
Nah.
Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
So
That's alright. Let's go.
alright then. When it comes down to a female, what's your type?
To be honest, I just look for a good personality, somebody that understands, somebody that's down to earth, willing to have a conversation. Yeah.
And what's like a pet peeve when it comes down to a female? What
Pet
irritates
peeves,
them the most?
I'm gonna be completely honest. Somebody that tells too much lies.
Lie.
Yeah, cause I can pick up lies because I study psychology.
Okay, so if
Yeah.
a girl I tell lie, you know.
Yeah. Baseball. That's fine. Baseball. It's based like body language, facial expressions, rolling of the eyes, some stuff like that. To be honest, yeah.
Alright, no problem. Alright, so we got some pops. We gotta find out.
Aside.
Oh gosh.
Aside.
We got some pops. So we gotta find out why them pop the balloon.
We gonna start with her.
We're gonna start with her.
Let's go.
Alright, listen.
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hello, my name is Marva. The reason why I pop my balloon, I mean, you're very handsome, you're nice, you're cute and everything. I mean, you don't worry now, or you're going to maintain.
You don't worry about all that though. I got you. Yeah.
Why? Me have to worry about it. Come here for worry
Trust me.
about all the
If I can
income
take care of
coming.
myself, I can take care of anybody in my circle.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I would give you 8 though.
8,
Rate-
that's side.
Oh, 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
It's for him appearance?
Yep.
What do you think about she?
I'm gonna give her like a 7. Aside.
What you like about her?
Tattoos aside.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, come
Yeah.
on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Nahela. The reason why I pop my balloon, oh, you know when a girl is telling a lie.
As I said, like body language, facial expressions. Normally when somebody's telling a lie, they can't stare you in the eyes and let you know what's really going on. So like it's
Not everyone.
not everybody, but like trust me, body language never lies.
Well, that's only the reason.
That's the reason.
Yeah, I'll give him a 7.
7 out of 10. Okay. Based on her appearance?
I'm gonna give her like probably a 2 or 3 or something. I don't know. Yeah. 2 or 3 side.
So you can't do that.
Alright.
You can't do that.
Alright.
You can't do that. You're right.
Yeah.
Good. Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Alright, so my name is Ashai. Why am I pop my balloon though? 2 things. You say it no work. Right? Even though you say, if you can maintain this, if you can maintain everybody around you, I have a daughter, I know.
We ain't got no problem with kids though.
Yeah?
We ain't got no problem with kids.
No, you don't got a problem with kids, but you say you don't work. What if I fall short one day? Oh, that part they go.
Shorty, you don't ever got to worry about that, but side.
The next thing though, you can't know when a girl I tell lie, baby.
I'm gonna tell you this right now: Jamaican shorties and American shorties, they're
No,
mad
love.
different.
Listen, my dry eye, you know. My dry eye bad.
But how dry
You
are
see me
you?
now? I'm like, me know
Yo,
say
matter
lie,
of
me I
fact,
tell
hold
you,
on, I'm
me
a code switch. Hold on, bomb buckler. I'm tired of the American shit. So yeah, Zin,
Bad.
Zin, you're dry. How dry you can be.
But daring bad.
Trust
Just
me.
stand up and tell her the lie. I'm convinced if me can believe say the truth.
You can't convince me.
What say?
It's called the art of manipulation.
Where me want where you make from? Anyways,
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
me not telling them can get an A from me. 'Cause you look
Aye.
nice and thing and
Alright.
Based on her appearance, what you think
I'm gonna
about it?
give her like a 5.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Respectable.
Respectable?
Yeah.
Alright. Come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Pashanti, and I popped my
What you saying name?
Pashanti.
Alright.
I popped my balloon because, although you said down there, take care of whatever, maybe it don't work. Like,
I'm self-employed.
that's still a job.
Not really. Not really, but alright. I see where you're coming from.
Besides that,
So my question is, what if me a chopper?
right.
What? What you mean? So you must say, suppose him a chopper.
Right, but like, I know every chopper make money.
True.
And every chopper is consistent with
Meaning?
making money. Meaning, chop today, get a food, and then next month again. No, sir.
Alright. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
8.
8 out of 10? Alright. Based on her appearance, what you think about her? The mic.
6. Respectable. No disrespect. 6, but yeah, no.
I give her 6.
I mean, I'm a reasons, but not sure.
Okay.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Crystal. The reason why I pop my balloon, you say no work, and I believe in 50-50.
That's clear. Jamaican girl believe in a 50-50. Alright, go on, Momo. May I hear you?
Yeah, that's basically it.
That's why. Because him not work. Alright, so based on him.
Alright, to be honest though, 50-50 to me don't really make no sense because I'm a man, know what I'm saying? It's really and truly up to providing for my lady. Now I'm taking care
But
of
I
everything.
every girl like
That's alright. If you want to go 50-50, I ain't got no problem with that though.
but I give him 7 because the top I could have wear one different top with the pants.
To be honest, this is some
yeah.
comfortable beats, but I get what you're saying.
Okay, so you not like him outfit.
Just the top.
Just the top.
Alright.
Alright, so based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
2. 2. Respectably. Respectable. Yeah, respectable.
Hey. Relax.
Respectfully, I'm gonna give her a 2.
As I said though, 50-50 is not bad. Not every lady believes in 50-50, but as a man coming from two backgrounds, I think that we should always provide. If we can't provide, then we find ways to provide. You know what I'm saying? We men, we alphas, we lions. Yeah,
Alright.
so it is what it is.
Alright. To this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hello, my name is Abby, and I put my balloon. Your chopper is not chopping. This is not chopping. Don't say anything. Thank you. First of all, what do you mean you don't work? And so
So they can't understand. Use English.
you don't understand. Sorry. I'm trying to say it to you, right? Your chopper is not chopping, right?
Cool.
Yeah, because your dress code is not appropriate to me. It doesn't look good. Let me finish. First of all, what do you mean she's a two? No, and I will represent because I'm a woman too. And I don't care if you don't want to grade me professionally how you want. And if you better understand how I'm talking. But your chopping is not chopping. And for some reason, you are saying that 50-50 or whatever. Sir, something about you. How can you know when a woman is telling a lie?
It's called psychology if you don't understand.
Well, I know when every man is telling a lie.
That's you decide.
You, your chop.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Give me a 2. In fact, give me a 0.
Can you shut up? Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself in life? Huh?
Yeah, I do.
Can you tell me what to give you?
0.
I don't want to give you anything at all. Go away.
That's
I don't.
fine.
You don't deserve anything. That is first you are there, then you are there. Sir, you don't deserve anything. Now go on.
You say you give him nothing?
I don't give him anything. Do you see me get anything?
Alright then.
fine.
So, based on her appearance though, how much should I rate her?
Appearance.
Here comes it.
May I get a respectable 10?
10. God, you are seeing. You cannot trick me.
Alright, you good?
I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Alright, come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hello, my name is Karian. The reason why I'm popping balloon, I know him from where I used to work.
Bumbleclad.
Yes. No, we weren't dating or anything.
I know that for I know that for
real.
sure.
But anyways,
And
the reason why I'm popping balloon, we mean no work. I mean, yeah, did leave the place. That me did communicate on that.
I know when I'm ready to say some shit.
But I kind of look pretty now with more things and them somebody as a girl and no, but I can't buy more stuff stills. But
Let me ask you one question. Where do you shop?
Anyway, when I like clothes from anything fit my body, so
All right. Give me a website.
Shein.
Respectfully.
Anything my body got in now.
Let him play the card for me and you.
Yeah.
Let him play.
So, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
For me, it's an 8.
8 out of 10?
Wrong with way me up on. It's fine.
Alright. Based on her appearance, what do you think about her?
Well, respectfully.
Oh my God.
She's not bad. She says she knows me.
Yeah,
So low key I'm mad worried. Some senses. I'm gonna give you a respectful 6.
Thank you.
6 out of 10?
That's okay.
Yeah. But here's the thing though. For all ladies, I respect y'all. If you do Shein shopping, respects for you.
Which way are you going to play the card?
She said something about my top.
I don't think
probably
anything is
like-
wrong with your top.
To be honest, it's a slight fit. To
It's
be
just
honest,
simple dressing. I mean,
I don't know. I don't think a lot of Jamaicans understand simple dressing, but it's know what I'm saying? I'm a code switch Wally. Don't get me wrong. Yeah.
Me know you.
Yeah,
That's
so.
fine.
But big up yourself. Well, I'm panto with them, man. Yeah, see me?
Alright.
Yeah, don't
Alright,
know.
Margie, come to this side. Alright, so you never get him.
I want me walk with Grace, man. That's
You
a
never
fact,
get
but
him today. So yeah.
I
You have to
don't,
walk with
man.
Grace,
When
yeah,
I'm
but you-
panto with them.
One more again. Oh, there, walk with Grace.
All
St. Vincent and Trinidad. We are forward. Yo, a little birdie I talk about Canada, but I don't know if it a sing or it a swing, you know? It a sing. Yo, alright, what's on man? Sending the next meal for my ladies, you ready? Yes! Yo, I love Portmore. Portmore coming like our next parish, you know? Portmore is our next parish? It is? Okay, alright then. Sending the next meal for me then, huh? Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, my name is Simba. I'm a correctional officer. So if it's all who not like uniform man, you understand? So me I tell you from day one. You understand? As it relates to type and so forth.
What's the type?
Me learn as it relates to say, oh, you can't judge a book by cover, you understand?
Yeah.
So you can't be like say, oh yes, they are like this and like that because everybody have their own personalities, you understand? Everybody is beautifully made by Jesus himself, you understand?
Yeah.
And everybody is beautiful in his image, you understand?
Alright then.
Yes.
Alright, so come to the side. Alright, so when it comes on to a female, where you hate the most, one of your pet peeves?
Well, I don't like a female that don't listen, you understand?
Yeah.
Because if you're with a person like, say for instance, you know, you want to strive for something, you understand? And then you're with a person that is humble and can look into this. You know, so if you try it that way, it can work out. They'll be like, no, me always do this. My family and my mother always do this. You understand? You have to be the person you stand behind and such. No man, they can try it that way too. Because what? She can try your way and fail. But why she not want to try your way?
True. Listen.
Yes.
Oh, so you listen to she listen to you.
Exactly. Like vice versa. Communication does it. You understand?
Alright then. So we got some pops. Shout out your social.
My name is Simba _the.first on TikTok and Simba _the_first on YouTube.
Alright. Simba, who you want to start with first? Don't this side. Alright. Right, so. Your name or your pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Marva. The reason why I pop my balloon, the occupation, the job. I don't like police.
I'm not a police, though.
Oh, prisoner.
No.
Oh, you work on the what? My bad. Sorry. Can you
I'm not a police officer. I'm a correctional officer. You understand? I work in the prison. You see?
Okay.
The police says, what? No, you're not going to see me like that. You understand?
Oh, you're in there?
Yes, and I work in an office also. So you're not going to see me out like that. You understand?
We can go back for my balloon, please.
Sure, I can.
Alright. So Levi?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Come on to this side. Your name or your pop your balloon?
Nah, hey, the reason why I pop my balloon, I don't like the person that water.
You not like what?
I don't like the person that work in the prison, the water person.
You not like waters? Why?
A lot of experience with my brother.
What's your brother?
Okay. Alright.
Brother in our care? Was your brother in our care? And something happened?
Yeah.
But I'm sorry to hear that as it relates. But not every officer is the same. You understand?
I know.
But may I understand your remorse as it relates. Is he still alive?
Yeah.
We're glad to hear that. You understand?
Yeah.
Hopefully keep yourself out of trouble and continue on the great part. You understand? Because we as officers are here to rehabilitate and reintegrate inmates back into the society. You understand?
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I will give him a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
I will give her a
Nothing
10.
don't turn. Thanks.
You understand? I will give her a 10 because she put herself together and she come out, you understand? Knowing the fact that it's a nerve-wracking show and so forth, she still put her best self forward, you understand?
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, let's go down the line. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Ashai, right? Why am I pop my balloon? Why me? And not for you.
What is that?
Me no listen on at all. Me deafy.
Alright. So
and the next thing, it's my it's my attitude. I just don't feel for your cars. But I'm already very disgusting, loud and vulgar, bad. That's enough for you.
So what kind of relationship would you prefer?
And the next thing, hold on, sorry. And the other thing too, you look strict. And I just come out of one strict relationship. I'm came out of the party. And as me say, me no listen. So if you tell me say no go this, I'm go this, so me come in prepare for the boof bath for you go give me.
Well,
yeah.
as it relates to that, I am not a strict person. You know how I view relationship? If you respect me, I respect you. You understand? So that's the same. So I'm not gonna be like, oh, don't listen to that because you're your own person. You understand?
True.
So if I want to put on your clothes and go out and so forth, if I can look for you and give me my opinion, it's up to you if I want to choose it. I'm not gonna be back of your tutus and I say, oh, this and all that because you can tell me what I cannot wear, what to over just myself go. You understand?
That's true.
Because then again, if I come out and so forth, they'll be like, yo, don't show my body and so forth. You understand? Yes.
Respect. Like that body.
Exactly.
How much should I rate him?
He just look too straight. That's him pop up alone.
How much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
That's 10. He put himself together. Him nice.
I can give you a 9.5.
No problem.
You understand?
Thank you.
Because I like your eyelash, you know, but Father God, man.
I know that sometimes I like them long, sometimes I like them short. It depends.
I understand, man.
No problem.
All right.
All right, come to this side.
Eyelash, man. You shouldn't like eyelash.
All right. Your name, why you pop a balloon?
My name is Prashanti and I pop my balloon because I am in fact stubborn. It takes a lot of like trust and work for me to get to the point where I will like openly submit to a man. Naturally, I'm stubborn and you'd have to like work through the stubbornness, which is a whole process. So yeah.
But you ever been with a person that calms a person? You understand? You're wild and so forth, but automatically calm. I'm not saying that you're not stubborn, no. I'm not any form of way, no, but some females like when I'm on toe-to-toe them and so forth. I'm not the toe-to-toe type. You understand?
You
don't want to
can't
cuss and so forth. You get higher at your point. It's up to me, you know, to either I'm going to step out a line because you have persons whenever females start raising voice and start calling her out of her name and so forth. I'm not like that. You understand what I say? Because automatically keep in touch and so forth. When you realize the day so you have a good man, you feel like you will second. You don't think so? Okay.
All right. So, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.5.
What do you think about her?
Give her a 9. She put herself together. Can't tell her.
Thank
She
you.
put herself together.
Thank you.
All right. Come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Crystal. The reason I'm popping balloon, your job.
You not like that?
Nope. Man in a uniform. Not for me. But I give you a 10.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But as I say, and everybody is the same thing. I understand. Maybe one day you might get up, meet somebody, and whenever in train going in a profession, maybe you can say, oh, you might end up stay like everybody. You understand? Everybody could be same, you know. You understand? We can't tell her everybody could be same. Man.
Yeah. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Honestly, I give her a solid 8.5. You understand? Because as it really is, she's slim as and so forth, but she coming out because she decided she must get a man. You understand? All right, me I talk looking over next time, here.
All right, good. All right, down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Abby, I pop my balloon because I don't like how you talking to them. You're laughing with everybody. You look too friendly.
Sure, that's a more puppy. Friendly.
I will come and pop it for you.
Come.
Why are you so friendly?
Hold on. No.
And you cannot sweet me up.
No, I'm not going to sweet you up. Remember this.
Really, leave the mic alone.
Remember
really.
this. Maybe, all right, when you hear my profession as it relates to say, all right then, police officers, right? And then go up and down.
Your profession is not it.
No, I am a correctional officer. I work in an office. Now, every daily, I register people and also I interact with inmates and so forth. I know you in a situation as it relates to say, maybe you mess with the law, you get incarcerated, you know, oh, yeah, go, this and that. You know, one that derogative person. You understand? Every day, I tell you this and tell you that. So, it's the reason why I have a persona like this. But if you come to me and be like, say, oh, I like you and so forth, and be like, no, respect my space, I'm in a relationship as it relates. You understand? Because I was in a relationship last year. You understand? And it was been known. I go on media and so forth, with live I cook and so forth. So I automatically pressure it. So anytime a female come and be like, oh, me know why a woman beat me, say, well, that is if she get to you.
Okay, let me tell you something. When the woman say they don't want a woman to beat them, that is how they want to know if you have girls.
Exactly. You understand? But at the end of the day, if you're not come out and be like, say, oh, I'm in a relationship, it's not gonna work out, don't. You understand? You have to be the person to stand up in a relationship before the female even come in play because you don't want a person messing with your feelings or your emotion, right?
Everything that you are saying to me is going to this way and going to that one. You are too friendly, same way.
Yeah.
You will see my friend, because I have sexy body, and you will see them and you will cut you. I can see it in you. I can see it in you. Don't lie to me. I can see it.
Look good, man.
I'm looking.
You know, I see it.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give him an 8.5. He has it. I like this one. Yes. But too friendly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Friendly.
All right, what do you think about her?
7. I'll give her 7.
7 out of 10.
Thank you.
Come on to this side, Mochi. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hello, my name is Karian. The reason why I pop balloon is because, let's just say it kind of like officers over but in a uniform. We just love woman too much. You can't bother.
Every woman they see they like.
You can't bother with the arty. Can me stab you upon them somebody. So that's the time I never bother with them somebody.
Understand.
Me insulin and certain things go to my brain. I can't bother with that. I'm sorry.
The thing about it is, sometimes it's a pass and what you hear and so forth. There is stigma against officers in uniform. But remember, you know, you have officers who are passes, you have officers who are married for much in years and never stepped out and so forth. So they ever use the wrong thing to judge a person. You understand? You know, you can look at me and say, oh, he's an officer. And then as well she said me,
I want to become one, by the way.
Which officer do you want to become?
Let us not disclose that here, but I want to become one officer.
Okay.
So I'm signing up and
As it relates to that, she's saying I'm friendly. So knowing the fact that I'm an officer and I'm friendly, you're going to say, oh, me, I will from me. No, it's not like that.
As long as they don't have too much woman. We can get back a balloon or no?
Yeah, man, you can go on.
You want back a balloon?
You are doing it. No, I will not let my friend. I will pop if you do it.
But even if she want to pop it again, it's up to her, don't?
Consider this friendly.
I'm fine.
It's friendly. If you cheat on you cannot call me and I will not come and babysit you.
All right, so we got a final pop. All right, so all of you ask for your balloon and you get it back. Why you pop your balloon again?
You're too friendly. I have a whole heap of problem with you. Where's you look so handsome? I have a whole heap of problem with you.
Understand? As it relates to that. You understand?
And you look sneaking and innocent, like you can't mash hands.
I say, you say, the thing about me is, you might see me here, but you see, behind everything, I really don't like people.
It's a different person.
I really don't like people. You understand?
Which month you born? Can I ask you which month you born?
I'm born May.
How much am I?
The 5th.
I'm the 4th.
See?
Taurus. We're not going to agree. We're not going to agree.
It's a 2 bull carry that one penny.
You're stubborn, very bad. And we're always right.
Exactly.
All right, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I give him a 10.
You give her a
You look nice, clean, my type. Why would I look for you, but just feel like you're going to struggle? Yeah, I mean, you're my type.
Yes, man.
I don't know where she at that. I don't know where she at that.
Come down to this side. Come down to this side. All right, so
now I'm going to show you something now. This is interaction. You see my smile gone over me just now.
All right, so hold on. Everybody without a balloon, walk with grace for me now.
Rolly, I have something to say, and I will not let it go.
No, she have a choice right now.
Exactly.
Don't turn.
She have her own opinion.
Yes, she has her own opinion. She will give you bond. She will give you bond. Make sure you can manage.
Walk with grace. Walk with grace. Come to this side. Come on. All right, so you keep your balloon, right? All right, so you can ask him any question for kind of get to know him and thing because you have a balloon. What's the question for him?
You beat woman? You beat, yeah.
No, I am not a woman beater. I am not. I believe as a man, if a child, even if a child you're not supposed to beat a child, you understand? Because you're your own adult, you get to make your own opinion. You understand? Me can't be, oh, me I got beat and this and that. I get no, I'm not that type of person. Furthermore, I walk out because I was raised with my grandmother, my mother, and two beautiful sisters, and I'm the only son. You understand?
Yeah.
So I never go them with it.
All right. Any question for she?
So she said she's stab up and so forth. Are you a violent person as it relates? So whenever you're upset,
no.
you're not.
Me easily I have temper. Me just sit down and go cry because me don't want to hurt you, but me walk away.
Okay.
But the thing is that if you push the limit, then me hurt you, but otherwise no. I'm so pretty for fight.
All right. All right. So I want to find out. I gotta ask a final question right now, right? Is this a match? Is this a match for you?
Yeah, it is.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
Is this a match?
Yes.
It's a match for you? We have a match?
Yeah, man.
We have a match?
Yeah,
We have a match? Whoa. Wait. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is our first match. Let's get this. On behalf of Sunshine City Beverage. This is for you guys. You don't know Valentine's Day just gone on the can't what the inside? Bag of things, bag of ray. This is for you guys. I don't know who want to hold it.
One side.
One side for you, one side for you. All right, just big up Sunshine City Beverage.
All right, because thank you.
All right, hold on. Before you go, this is a match, okay?
Yes.
On this episode, I'm asking the female, are you willing to risk your love right now and get rich? Do you want to find love or you want to get rich?
I want to do both.
No, you have a chance right now. If you choose to get rich, you can win up to 100,000. Do you want to pursue this love or you want to risk it all?
I risk it all. I don't like money that much. I can't work for my own money.
So you're going to stay with the match?
Yes.
You stay with the match? All right, you choose love. On a bad mind, sir. No little cheer.
Yes.
All right. Yo, only did know say she da go pick love? Comment below. You see? All right then. Watch it now. Remember say we have find love in our people. Wanna see it here by on self. You see me? Remember say I love you. You know I love you. You forget already? You leave a like. You subscribe below. Yo, you know long me know you not subscribe every day depend. Really, what the video there? What the video? And you just come watch every day and don't subscribe. Me not like that. Lock off the camera, live boss. Live boss, lock off the camera. Turn it on back. Alright then. Send in the next meal for me now. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side, Maji. Introduce yourself. Him not even open me mouth.
Yep, yes,
Him not even open me mouth. Alright, introduce yourself.
Dark Knight 876 still for all platforms.
All platforms. What type of work you do?
Wipe car glass too.
What is it?
Wipe car glass.
Wipe car glass?
Yeah.
What him say him wipe car glass as a work.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
And what type of job?
What?
Why
is it not?
Alright. What?
Yeah, thank you.
What's your type? What's your type though?
Slim still or short and thick.
Slim, short and thick. I'm not bad. Alright, so we got some pops. Find out why them pop the balloon. You're gonna start here first? Alright. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Abby. The reason I put my balloon. You're a liar. You lie. Look at you. Your height is not a problem because you can be short and taller than me in some type of way. But you are a liar.
Yeah.
Only. Yes. Why you tell me that? Do you wipe your glass? And if you tell me lie again, think about it.
Hey, man,
It depends on your life.
Final job, but you know.
What else do you do?
Online social media marketing.
Okay, what do you market?
Like parties, my friends' businesses, stuff.
Oh, you are always on the road.
Not really, but
Not
yeah.
really. Okay. How long? Can I ask him now? How good are you in bed?
But you pop the balloon, I can't tell you that.
If I ask you a question, you answer me.
You get the next balloon?
Probably.
You forgot fee
You
balloon.
are going to answer me there.
You forgot fee balloon first.
Okay. Then you get balloon.
Alright, so where you ask him? You get a balloon, where you ask him?
How good are you in bed?
Oh, one.
One. What do you mean by one?
One, I'm not good.
Sir, wait. What do you mean by one? What do you mean by one? Rolly, leave the mic alone.
Yeah.
Somebody hold this thing for me now. What do you mean by one?
One, man, good. Man, good.
So, somebody pop this balloon. I don't understand. Like,
Yeah.
you are short already, and you are telling me you are shorter than something. And you are short. What is going on there?
Next.
No, Rolly. I beg you, Rolly. Grace, Grace, go with you.
How much should I rate him out of 10? Yeah, Papa Balloon. How much should I rate him out of 10?
The swag is okay, but is a one in bed. Are you mad? So you are telling me my rose is better than you? You are mad. You are sick. You cannot please. You cannot please. You don't know to. Nothing. You can. Thunder will fire you.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
If you don't
Yeah,
want to
7
rate,
still.
it's a fine thing.
How much?
Yeah, 7.
7 out of 10?
Do you like my hair? You like it? Answer the man. Do you like my hair?
No.
No, thank you.
Alright, come on to this one. Your name, why you pop the balloon?
My name is Crystal. Why am I put my balloon? You're short. Like, I'm taller than you. Oh, that's gonna work.
No, that's why.
That's still.
No, because him short.
Yeah, I'm short.
I have a problem with him short height.
Oh, me and you walk. When we dip on road, like, me for just stoop down to your level.
No, man, you know walk now. I'm gonna see him.
That just feel weird.
Alright, so how much did I rate him from 1 to 10 though?
That give him a 7.
7 out of 10. Just him height, you know, like.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
She look nice, man. That guy.
8 out of 10.
Thank you.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I'm Pashanti. Me and Chrissy are the same thing. I'm 5 feet tall. Like, never have I ever, and never will I. But besides that, you're okay. You know, calm 7, 6.5, 7, somewhere there about.
They said 200 up on it, same height and him still.
Not even this. How am I taller than you? How? No.
No?
No, sir.
So it's because of the height?
Mm-hmm.
Because you're taller than him?
Yeah.
Or what do you think about her based on her appearance?
Yeah, man, she look nice, man. She cute.
Thank
Like her outfit.
Thank you.
How much did I rate
Like her
her?
smile.
Thank you.
How much did I rate her?
That girl like a 9.
Thank you.
Man, not to either approach her on the road?
Yeah, man.
Are you type?
She and my friend here sister.
Okay, alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
So my name is Ashoy. When pop balloon, you're shorter than me.
Huh?
You're shorter than me. What do you think I'm shorting about? They beat me. I just start. But that takes it by every day. That trouble every day.
We do.
Rolly, leave me alone.
I'm gonna look at trouble, man.
No, but that trouble every day for you. But apart from that, you're good. You can get a 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, but what you rate her? How much?
Yeah, man, she cute and she look nice. I like the braces, I like the smile, I like her lips.
Thank you.
How much did I rate her?
Oh, that girl like 8 still.
Thank you very much.
Alright, come on to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Nahela. The reason why I pop my balloon is too short. I don't like short guys. That's the only thing. Him can dress and am I right? I'm gonna give him a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about her based on her appearance?
She look nice. Come
Thanks.
out, you know. At and bear things, you know.
Thanks.
Alright, how much did I rate her?
That girl 7.
Alright, thanks. Cool.
7. Alright, so if him approach you, you'd say no to him?
I'm too short. I like short guys.
Oh, taller than you?
Mm-hmm.
Alright then. Alright, your name, why you pop your balloon? Come to this side.
Hi, I'm Marva. You're too lie. A glass your wipe, you're too lie. You're too lie. What's your occupation?
carry glass more upon Boulevard.
You're too lie. I don't believe you. I mean, okay, you're nice and everything, but you're too short. You see my tongue? That's why I'm going to bend over. I'm going to go stoop down. Too short for me, but I will give you a 7. Can you put yourself together? You're nice. You're trim. Everything. You're nice.
What you have to say about that, about the stoop down?
I mean, can make her flexible still, but I just
You can manage me?
You don't pop a balloon still.
You
Some
can
nice
manage
and
me?
some of that still is with me, but you look nice too, you know? Come
Thank
out
you.
and thick and sexy still, so I just say go.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Like yeah, 8 still.
Thank you.
8 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright, come to this side. Alright, my G. Nobody have a balloon. Everybody pop them balloons, so you know what you have to do?
Wait.
Huh?
I'm thinking about something. Like, since I have the rose, can you work with rose? Can you manage it? Can you work around it? Since you are one in bed, you don't have any say. So talk.
Anything, man. We can make it up, man.
You can have a.
No, don't fall hard.
Are you telling me what to do?
Yo, you want back your balloon? You want back a balloon?
Yes. Don't you see you like me same way the way I am? I take off the wig just to see if you will like me. Don't you like me same way? Natural.
Yeah, natural,
Okay.
yeah.
Alright, so you have your balloon?
I'm having it.
Alright, so everybody without a balloon. Walk with grace. This come to this side. These are the first me ever do that.
Yes.
Like I break the rule a while ago.
Yes.
Because you take the balloon 2 times now. No 3. Have it, pop it, 3.
New, something new.
Something new.
Yes.
Alright then, so what is gonna happen right now? You're allowed to ask him a question. You ask him one question already, I'm gonna make him ask you a question and then vice versa, okay? What's her question?
What you do for a living?
I'm an actress. I do hair. I'm self-employed. I do hair. I do makeup. I'm a hustler. However, professionally, I want to be a neurosurgeon. So I'm currently going to school on the side, doing my thing on the side the same way.
Okay, that's dope.
Alright.
Okay, I want to ask you.
Your question for him?
Can you cook?
Yeah, but not the best.
I can teach you. Can I teach you?
Nothing wrong.
Okay. One in bed. Is it true? One in bed?
No.
It's more than that.
Yeah.
See, that's how I stay with you. Hey, God, you are seeing.
Alright. So is there any more question you want to ask her?
No, man, that's it. Man.
That's it?
Yeah,
No question for you?
Yes.
No question?
No.
Alright, some more asks. Is this how much for you?
Is that much? Man?
It's how much for you?
Yeah.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
It's how much for you?
Yes.
We have a match?
Yes.
We have a match?
Yes.
We have a match? Yeah, we have a match.
Can we go now?
Eh?
Can we go?
We are rush.
I want to see the percentage in bed.
Alright, hold on. Come on. See ya. Alright, so the sponsor for today is Sunshine City Beverage, okay? Reasonable liquor store, anything beverage. You want to hear beverage?
Sunshine, you are seeing. The sun is shining. Sunshine. We are seeing.
Yeah. Alright, so this is for anybody who want, this is for you both.
Hold it.
Yes.
Hold it, baby. Yeah. Fine boy.
Alright, so that is it. But I'm gonna ask you a final question, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so in this season, we're asking if you wanna go with your love or risk it all to get rich.
Baby, I already have money. I will take care of me and you. I'm a hustler. If I lose it, I'll start over again. We will build from scratch.
Also, you want to pursue this match?
Yeah.
You don't want to get rich?
We are loving. No, I'm already getting rich.
Alright.
We are in it.
So-
We're in it.
So this is a match?
It is a match.
Alright, walk with grace together
No,
now.
wait. Hold this one.
Eh?
Hold this one. Baby, come.
No.
No, baby, no. No, baby, come. So you don't want me to leave you up?
In the bedroom. The bedroom. You don't want to tell them. Come on. Let me walk.
She nearly lift him up, you know. They not like us. Hey, watch it now and make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Yo, I'm not like Portmore, my love for no. Wanna give me some love, wanna give me energy. I feel it, is it? Big up Sunshine City. Of Portmore of the Sunshine City. Yeah, alright, then watch it now. We are sending the last meal. You ready? Yeah. No, sleep on my hand. You ready? Yeah. All right, cool. Don't shout. All right, send him in. Send in the last youth. Come to the side. Come to this side. What my G?
Active, man, active.
Introduce yourself.
Eskadan, you know?
Eskadan, alright. Social?
Eskadan on all platforms.
Alright, so what type of work you do?
My artist.
What? Alright. And what's your type?
Don't really have a type, you know, bro.
You don't have a type?
No, man, we love all the girls.
What's your type?
What's your type?
What's your type?
What's your type?
You. Believe, man.
Alright. What's one of your pet peeves, like what you hate about a female?
When she too friendly, you know.
Friendly. You know, like a friendly girl. Alright, so we got some pops, so we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. Alright, we'll start with here. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Crystal. Alright, the reason I'm popping balloon, number one, you're artist.
So what I'd say?
Yeah, for everybody. Number two, your Tom throw me off. Like your outfit, alright, but the grey, But me I gotta give you
How much you rate him out of 10?
6.5.
6.5? Yeah. Based on her appearance, how much you rate her?
Yeah, I see him on 6.5.
6.5?
Okay.
Alright, come down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Pashanti, and I'm a dog by association.
Are you a friend?
Something like that.
Something like that.
Friend zone.
What is?
Your friend zone him?
No, he never approached me like
Just
that.
me, Diamond.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright then. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
6.5.
6.5. What do you think, Boshi?
But I get 1 8, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's like a friend zone.
You just beat me, so.
Just me, Diamond.
Okay.
Step on them waters,
Okay,
you know?
my G. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Asha. Why yeah, artist?
Oh, artist.
Everybody, man. Can't do that. But jealous sometimes I'm not a sense already.
Can't come on out the thing, you know.
Well, yeah, artist, that's I'm for my balloon.
Alright. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Can't get a 7 from me.
7 out of 10. What do you think, Boshi?
Like, I time I was 7.
7.
Thank you.
Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Naila, the reason why I pop my balloon is because there's an artist. I don't like it.
You don't like artists?
No, not at all.
Not at all. And how much did I rate him based on him appearance?
I give him a 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
What you think about that?
Active, man, my father.
Alright. What you think about fair appearance?
I get 1 5 to man.
Alright, thanks.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, fair.
Fair? Come down to this side. Alright, so the females without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Come down to this side, mama. Alright, so you have your balloon. So what we're gonna do right now, you have a chance to ask him a question to get to know each other because you have a balloon and thing. What's the question for him?
What you do for fun?
Depend
Otherwise from being an artist.
Depend upon the mood, you know.
Sorry?
Depend upon the mood. If feel the vibes in the party, but I'm not sure you go like that. Unless I'm my dog, them like river or them breather.
Okay. Well, I'm a chill person. I don't party. But you say you're an artist, right? What do you think?
The way all your pussy fat, it cannot hide behind the vacancy. Some sink it deep. She hug me up and I beg me please. Say she want to taste me kids. Some fling her on her knees.
Wow.
I mean,
Wow.
yeah.
That excite you?
Yeah.
Oh, you go.
Sing
So
for
you
me
go,
now,
man.
bed, baby. What am I does? Anger myself.
All right. What's the question for she?
So what time to pick you up?
Right now?
Don't.
All right. So wait. Is this a match for you?
Yeah, man.
It's a match for you?
Of course.
It's a match?
Now for ask.
We have a match? We have a match? All right. Beverage. On behalf of Sunshine City Beverage, this is for the match. You don't know. If you want to hear beverage, I know. You buy a thing and refreshing, yeah? Can't thirsty.
Can't thirsty, never.
All right, this is for you. We'll go hold it. All right, don't care. All right, hold on. All right. So it's a match, right?
Definitely.
All right, so I want to ask you now, when it comes down to a match, do you want to pursue love or do you want to get rich today? On this season of Pop the Balloon.
I'm a lover girl.
So you don't want to chance it and win up to 100,000 right now?
Love.
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 All right, so it's a match. Walk with grace for me now. Yo, watch on man. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Hey, Portmore, if you want a part 2, 50,000 likes me need, okay? Mama asking us something. Which country we need for pull up in here? Is it? Which parish we need for pull up in here? More find out, is it? Big up live boss for the visual in there because people, we're gonna need one. What I think the name? Where's something the name when I hold the camera? I need one of them. Comment below, stabilizer. I need one stabilizer because we are saying live boss got gym. Because remember the camera heavy and now you see it. We need a yeah. So big up for yourself like all the time. Well, give me a hug before we cut now. Oh, ain't told hug, yeah. Someone know I love you, you know. Thanks for liking and loving the video. You see it? I'm not gonna away. Next week again. Got a night like all the time. Chips.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make your crunchy.
GCT forever and ever. We say goodbye.
Call them some team of a boss. Call them some team of a boss. Call them some team of a boss. Road to 200K. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.